Hello, if you are a nurse or aspiring to be a nurse, then this video is definitely for you. I know many of you know my little girl, popularly known as Ajua Little Dog on TikTok. I know she's very talented. I know she's gifted. But we took her through a series of things for her to get to where she is. And guess what? You could be the next person. And I know many of you have been sending me DMs. I've read a lot of your messages. And the team together have decided that let's give it a try. Let's give you guys the tutorials that you guys need to be able to equip you for your school exams and for those of you who are preparing for your licensure exams. In the coming years, we will have a course purposely for nursing students and midwifery. We are preparing a special course for you guys to groom you, to prepare you adequately for your exams. And guess what? You don't want to miss it. That is why you have to subscribe to this particular channel and turn on the post notification bell so that anytime we post a video, you will be notified. And of course, we have a Telegram group that we have created. Just be a part of it. So anytime we post a video again, we will put it there for you to be aware that indeed a video has been posted. Guys, when I say MeDent, we say prep smart, prep easy. So MeDent, prep smart, prep easy. Let's get that hashtag going in the comment section. Peace out and see you in my next video.